Hello students, Kajal is back with you. Today we are going to deal with the next level of squares and square roots and cube roots. Now students, the question here given is, give a reason to show that the following numbers are not a perfect square. Okay, simply by looking at the numbers you should know that it is not a perfect square. As I told you in my last video that you must always remember that numbers ending with what? See, if 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16. If you don't remember, just write it down over and over again and then you will be able to remember it very well. 7 square is 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81 and 10 square 100. That's it. Just write this down for you if you are not able to remember what I told you in my last video. See students, the last number is 2. Do you find 2 anywhere here in the units place? Last number 2 dikh raha hai? No. Since the number is 2 in units place. In units place there is a number 2. There is no square ending with 2. Similarly, if the number is 6843, do you find any 3 here in the last number? No. Since the number is 3 in units place. Similarly, 7. Do you find here 7? See, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 8, 0. There is no 7. Since the number n is 7 in units place. Again 8. Do you find any 8 in the last? No. Since the last number or the number in units place or ones place is 8, we can say that it is not a perfect square. Now 0. Come on students, 0 is there here. But the number of zeros has to be even in a square. Since there is only 1 0. Since the number of zeros are odd. Since the number of zeros are odd, so 640 is not a perfect square. Similarly, in 49,000 3 zeros are there. Since the number of zeros are odd, we can say that 49,000 is not a perfect square. Similarly, 36 and how many zeros? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since the number of zeros are odd. So 49, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 36, sorry, not 49, 36 is not a perfect square. See my dear students, only by applying the small logic you will be able to gain 1 mark, 2 mark in each sum, okay? Should we go ahead with the next sum? You will immediately get 1 mark only by saying yes or no. And how will you say yes or no? You just have to remember these numbers. Which number? 2, 3, 7, 8. If the numbers are ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of zeros, the number will never be a perfect square. Okay? Simply by having a glance, you will be able to know whether the number is a perfect square or not. ठीक है? What is perfect square? जब दो नंबर पूरी तरह से अच्छे से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और एक होल नंबर मिलेगा, उसको हम बोलते हैं perfect square. For example, 4. 4 कैसे आया? 2 2s are 4. So 4 is a perfect square. 25. 5 5s are 25. So 25 is a perfect square. वैसे ही बड़े बड़े नंबर कैसे पता चलेंगे perfect square है कि नहीं? लास्ट में 2, 3, 7, 8 या फिर odd number of zeros नहीं होने चाहिए. Next is which of the following are squares of even numbers? Which of the following numbers are squares of even numbers? Okay, so my dear students, square of an even number is even, odd number is odd. Similarly, square root of an even number is even and square root of odd number is odd. Last number 6 है, even है कि odd है, 2 के टेबल में जाता है ना, so it is an even number. तो ये लिखेंगे even. Okay. Next is 729. Is this even or odd? Odd. So this is the square of an odd number. Next is 1089. 9 is again an odd number, square of an odd number. 2304. See student, 4 is an even number, so you will write square of an even number. Next is what? 5625. 5 is an odd number, so you will write square of an odd number. Next is 9216. Last number 6. So you will write your square of an even number. Understood? Similarly, which of the following number is the square of an odd number? Odd number वाला बताओ. Simply by looking at the number you will be able to know कि ये odd number का square है या even number का square है. Students, odd का square odd होता है, even का square even होता है. 484 odd है कि even है? See, 4 is an even number, so this will be even, not odd. 961 last number odd. 4225 5 is an odd number. 2 के टेबल में जो नहीं जाता है नंबर उसे odd number कहते हैं, जो 2 के टेबल में जाता है उसको even number कहते हैं. 5 does not come in the table of 4, so it is an odd number. Next is 7396. 6 appears in the table of 2. 2 3s are, so this is even. 6241. 4 is an odd number, so odd. 8649. Odd. Simple. 1 mark. सीधा जेब में. Now students, the next is without adding the sum, find the sum. Without adding, find the sum. देखो, add किए बिना उसको sum 1 plus 3 plus, you will have to write all odd numbers. 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21. Students, so difficult है ना? Short trick बताती हूँ. Count these numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. These are 11 odd numbers. So the answer would be 11 का square करो 121. Add करके देख लो. You can add this in your calculator as well and see whether am I right or wrong. Next is similarly 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus da 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 da. Last में 49. Students, 1 से लेके 49 तक कितने odd numbers होते हैं? How many odd numbers are there? 24, 25. How many numbers must be there? See, here from 1 to 21 there were 11 odd numbers, right? From 1 to 20 there must be 20 odd numbers and 10 odd numbers, and here this is 11th number. Similarly, from 1 to 40 there are 20 odd numbers plus 5 more, 25. How many? 25. These are how many numbers? 1 to 49. See, 49 plus 1 is 50. Half of 50, 25. So what is 25 square? 625. ये सब ऐड करोगे तो ये तुमको 625 मिलेगा. Next is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus da 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 till 99. Step 1, 99 plus 1, 100. ठीक है, 100 का हाफ 50. 50 का square 2500. This is the answer. First and last number you need to add, then divide it by 2 and see what you get it and square it. Now students, express 144 as a sum of 12 odd numbers. मतलब 12 odd numbers को जब हम प्लस करेंगे तो आंसर 144 आएगा. ये कैसे? See, फर्स्ट ऑड नंबर 1 होता है, देन 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. ऑल्टरनेट नंबर, एक नंबर छोड़ के दूसरा. 13 के बाद 14 छोड़ो 15, 15 के बाद 17, 18 छोड़ो 19. हाउ मेनी दी सी वेदर दे आर 12 नंबर्स? नहीं. 19 के बाद 20 छोड़ो 21, 22 छोड़ के 23, देन कम्स 24. Let us see whether they are 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. When you add all these, you will get 144. कितना simple है? Next. Express 225 as a sum of 15 odd numbers. चलो 15 odd number 1, 3, 4 छोड़ के 5, 6 छोड़ के 7, 8 छोड़ के 9, 10 छोड़ के 11, leave 12, 13, leave 14, 15, then 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. Let us see whether they are 15 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and here comes 15. When you add all these, you will get 15 square, which is 225. और यहाँ पे which is equal to 12 square, which is 144. See, dear students, only you need to write plus 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 करके odd numbers and you will get full 2 marks on each sum. Now next sum is the next sum here given is evaluate. Now students, how you will have evaluate? 29 square minus 28 square. This is a question like this. So normally how students will do? They will go for a long cut. Okay, what they will do? They will find the square of 29, then 28, फिर plus करेंगे, minus करेंगे. No. See, you have to know a formula. A plus B, A minus B, which is A square minus B square. ये A square समझो and this is your B square. What is A square minus B square? A plus B, A minus B. Let us substitute. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B in one bracket, A minus B in the other. ये formula है बच्चों, इसी को इसमें substitute करेंगे. Okay? 29 square minus 28 square. Instead of A write 29, instead of B write 28. Instead of A write 29, instead of B write 28. 29 plus 8 and 28, 29 minus 8. What is 29 plus 8? 57 multiplied by 1. So the answer is 57. Answer to 29 square minus 28 square is 57. कैलकुलेटर में करके देखो, देखो कितना शॉर्टकट, ना मल्टीप्लाई करना ना कुछ करना, shortcut. Okay, I'll teach you one more sum like this, one more or 3 more sums like this. Okay students, these sums are not only important from your exam point of view but also in your personal life. You should know these methods. These are so easy and lucid methods. 56 square minus 55 square. बच्चों, A square minus B square is A plus B, A minus B. Please remember, A square minus B square is A plus B, A minus B. So, instead of A square, write 56, 55, which this becomes 56 plus 55 into 56 minus 55. A plus B, A minus B. What is 56 plus 55? Sorry, 111 multiplied by 56 minus 55, 1. So your answer should be 111. 56 square minus 55 square is 111. Without wasting time and energy and calculation and space, see, directly you got this answer. Similarly, what is 82 square minus 81 square? Again, same formula, a plus b. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Substitute. Okay, instead this is a, this is b. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. What is 82 plus 81? I think it is 163. Yes, into 1. Therefore 82 square minus 81 square is 163. देखो कितना सिंपल है. Directly you get the answer. 2 स्टेप में. Students, you will become master करते करते. You can do this mentally also. 108 square minus 107 square. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. A square, substitute, minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So this becomes 215 into 1, which is 215. See, my dear students, itna tough tha. 108 square minus 107 square. Simply 215 is my answer. 221 minus 220. This one I think you should do it as your homework. Don't take my help. Identify. Oh sorry, using identity, evaluate. Evaluate means to find answers. 204 square. Now students, see, there is a method for this too. 204. Instead of 204, see, write this formula. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Instead of 204, split it into 200 plus 4 the whole square. Okay? Instead of 204, 200 plus 4 लिख दो. इतना समझा? Make this as a and make this as b. And then we will substitute. इसका formula क्या है? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Instead of a square, write 200 square. 2 into a into b plus b square की जगह 4 square. Is that simple? Clear? Avi, wait, let me rub this. You can write what is 200 square? 2 2s are 4 and 4 zeros. When you have 200, 100 की जगह 4 0 डाल देंगे. Okay? Plus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 1600 plus 16. Students, it is very simple. You don't have to calculate this in your page or rough or any calculator. Okay? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 और जितने 0 हैं वो यहाँ लिख दो. Okay? Plus 4 square is 16. Now try to add. Last 16, 0 0. 16 plus 0, 16. Again 16 plus 0, 16. This 4. Answer is 41616. That is 204 ka square. Isn't that simple? Next is, instead of 204, if they tell you to put 430. Okay? With the same formula, a plus b the whole square हम करेंगे 430 का square. Okay? See, a plus b the whole square, 400 plus 30 the whole square. Split it into 2. 2 convenient numbers, 400 और 30. Round figure में 2 number काट दो. ठीक है? Now, instead of a square, 400 का square, 2ab की जगह 400 और ये 30 plus b square. Okay? What is 400 का square? 16. 4 square is 16 and 4 zeros. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and 3 zeros. 3 square 9 and 2 zeros. I hope you have understood this. Now how will you add this? 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Add किया 2 0. 9 plus 0 plus 0, 9. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 6, 8 and 1. See, this is how I add. तुम भी सीखो. Should I go ahead with the next sum? अब बच्चों अगर उल्टा आया तो, for example, if the number is not a round figure like this, okay? अगर number आया 94 square, okay? Of course you can go ahead with 90 plus 4, wrong नहीं होगा. Wait, I'll give you one अलग सा sum. 389 the whole square. 300 plus 89 का square. So it will be difficult. I'll give you a trick. Which is the nearest round figure in this? 400 minus 389 कितना होता है करके देखो. 21, 9, 11. So this is 400 minus 11 the whole square. Understood? When the plus doesn't work, go ahead with the minus, okay? What is a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square की जगह 400, 2ab plus b square. I hope you understood this point. A square की जगह 400 square, 2ab के नहीं 2a into 400 into 11 और b square की जगह 11 square. Okay, what is 400 का square? 16 and 4 zeros. 4 2s are 8, 8 11s are 8800 plus 11 square is 129, 121. Students, when you have plus and minus option in front of you both together, पहले plus करना है compulsory BODMAS rule. First you have to add these both, okay? What is 121? 16021 after, sorry 121. After adding these both you got this. ये minus बाद में करेंगे. Now minus, okay? Now 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 8, not possible. Shall we borrow? Borrow it. This becomes 5, this becomes 9, this becomes 11. 11 minus 8, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. And comes 15. The answer is 1, 5, 1, 3, 2, 1. Isn't that easy? And now, evaluate. वापस एक आया, evaluate. Evaluate 59 into 61. Students, 59 is 60 minus 1 and 61 is 60 plus 1. एक कॉमन नंबर ढूंढो इन दोनों के बीच में और उसके साथ प्लस माइनस करना है, ठीक है? What is common in nearest number to 59? 60. Nearest number to 61 is also 60. तो इसको 60 minus 1 लिखेंगे and instead of 61 we will write 60 plus 1. What is a plus b, a minus b? A square minus b square. I'll write the formula here. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. What is 60 square? 3600 minus 1 is 3. What is 600 and minus 59? 599. 3599 is the answer. Similarly, if I tell you to do 48 into 52, students, 48 into 52. 48 is nothing but 50 minus 2. 52 is nothing but 50 plus 2. So this becomes a square minus b square. 2500 minus 4. This 4, 10. 6, 2496 is my answer. So my dear students, this was it for today. Keep YouTubing, keep learning, keep commenting and let me know how much I can help you, which other lessons you want me to help you in. Bye for now.